Okay, Goldfields is next. This one is mines in Australia, Ghana, Peru and South Africa, which is just the South Deep section. So remember, they split Goldfields in two. Sibanye got all the stuff that was supposedly ex-growth, except South Deep, and then Goldfields under Nick Holland took all of the rest of the international stuff. The biggest and most important asset is a thing called St. Ives, out somewhere in Western Australia, I think. Market capitalization, 47 billion rand. Mixed profitability, some dividends. It says there it's got a dividend yield of 0.42. I'll take your word for it. Let's have a look at the share chart first, because that will reveal the big story. This is the one I mentioned earlier. Comes down, has a bit of a flurry there at the end of 2014, beginning of 2015, goes away. So now people are saying, is that chart pattern going to be the same? Are we teeing ourselves up for disappointment, or does this company rally back to these levels like it was in 2012 of 100 rand or more? Because it's now about 40 or 45 or maybe 50 at the moment.
Again, I'm permanently bullish on the market. So I think you're going to get better performance from other sectors. I think the market will settle down.
So your basic theory is if the market settles down and more obvious industrial and technology and consumer stories start to recover, people will lose interest a little bit in the flash and the pan over in the corner here.
I think that's correct. I mean, these are they're not safe haven plays, but their product is a safe haven product. So it's increased with the volatility in the market. But again, you look at Goldfields' all-in sustaining cost. I think it's around 950.
What is your feeling about South Deep? Because South Deep's a very important asset for them because it's a very big gold body, but it's very deep, and they've had problems getting down there. They've had problems with the shafts infrastructure. It's like a deep cave mining system, so it's kind of high risk. And they've battled. It's always been like getting a big transporter plane off the ground. It never seems to actually get going.
I think they should have given that to Sibanye as well.
Yeah, maybe.
Yeah, maybe.
Okay, so what are you going to say about Goldfields?
I'm going to go mark on Goldfields. I think if you are looking for, again, maybe you can play the sector through a pair. I would probably short Goldfields against one of either Sibanye, maybe an Anglo Gold as well.
Okay, we'll reconsider those kinds of strategies at the end. Okay.